Guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the payment method declined on Uber Eats. Guys, so there's usually three error messages you get where regarding payment method. Okay, there's one: request failed, card declined. Right, and then you get your payment method is invalid. Please update your billing settings. And there was an error processing your request. Now, when you get this one, you probably do not have money in your card. You have insufficient funds. Okay, this one, payment method is invalid. Please update your billing settings. Maybe this is probably because your card number is incorrect. Okay, the first one I told you is insufficient funds. The second one is because your card number is incorrect. Now, if there's an error processing your request, this is usually because your credit or debit card has expired. So what you actually need to do, guys, is actually update or add a new payment method. Okay, something that's not expired or correct details. So if you still have any issues, you should contact your bank. Maybe your bank has put a hold on the account in terms of it being used with Uber Eats. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. There's usually only 3 reasons why this payment issue happens. So if the video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down